Hi, my name is Peter Saloom and I want to welcome you to the Saloom Designer family. What we have laid out in front of us is our designer sample kit, and we want to show you how we can help you make a great presentation to your clients. So what we're looking at is over 50 finish samples, over 100 fabrics, full color catalogs, and price lists, everything you need to make an excellent presentation. Let's take a closer look. Let's start with our wood finish samples. As you can see, we have a huge array of colors here. Each finish sample comes in 3 levels of distressing. We have our standard finish, which shows a wide range of colors presented in a very smooth, even application. Our distressed level, which shows the same color but with gentle marks of aging. And our heritage level, which showcases heavy distressing along with dry brush, wormholes. It has scrapes and what we call cowtails in it. It's the most heavily distressed option. Okay, let's talk about fabrics. Of course, we can do COM to meet all of your clients' needs. In addition to that, we have 100 fabric samples here on this ring. On top of that, we have a great partnership with the Umbrella Performance Fabric Company, which makes great, really durable performance fabrics that are excellent on our dining chairs. Of course, you will also receive our 2 full color catalogs, as well as the price lists you're going to need to submit an order. So this is the designer sample kit. Normally a kit of this size would cost $500, but right now we are reducing that price to members of our design family to $250. On top of that, we are also offering to rebate the entire cost of the kit once any designer has submitted $5,000 in orders. That averages out to be about 2 dining sets, not too hard. I want to also mention that not all interior designers need our fabrics because COM is so popular. If you choose not to purchase the fabric samples, we will reduce the cost of the sample kit to $150. We suggest you order today.